Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. It helps us a lot, and thank you very much. What you doing there, Foodie? Beauty? Do tell.
I need to tell you something.
What? What do you want to tell us? Look at that face. It's a lie.
Cottage cheese equals puke? As soon as I say I need to tell you something. I love you guys. I love you, Mike. Come on. Fucking shit.
What are you reading, girl?
Nothing. I was just joking around for real. I think I'm at the point in my fucking life where I'm like, I think I'm at the point where I'm like, is it really over? Is it really, 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 really over? So weird. It's over. I always hope Amazon fucked up my order. I got a treadmill for free because it got lost in the mail. I know, like, they're really, like, good about their shit. What, Annabella? What the fuck? You fucking beezers. For me, they gave me, I can't remember what happened with my TV, but I actually didn't get a TV. Like, they actually refunded me. I was happy about that. Oh, fuck, I don't remember what happened with the TV. What happened with the fucking TV?
She couldn't keep her lies straight about the TV. That's what happened. She knows.
No, I didn't give it to Nutter. I know people thought that, but I didn't. They don't even check. I know fucking Amazon's so fucking... They don't give a fuck, eh? I know. They have so many items. They're so rich, they don't give a fuck. Whatever. The fart empire, well, it's crumbling because I haven't been paying attention to it. To build a business, you need to be diligent and you put a lot of time and energy into it. I don't even feel like putting any time and energy into fucking forming proper sentences right now. Ah! Put your head around. Who's Jeff? Oh, Jeff Bezos. I'm a fucking chucking like him.
Well, well now. Someone says, let's talk about drama. I'm bored.
Your butt and balls jiggle? Yeah, my balls jiggle too.
Okay.
What am I getting into?
Eating, smoking,
Nothing.
and being online.
When is Pride in August here? I heard it's in August. I will go, yeah. That would be cool to bring Pete's to. No. Yeah. No, I'm not okay right now. I'm just going through a hard time.
Oh, you're always going through a hard time. Maybe you should do something about it and go get yourself some mental help.
Can you get a girlfriend? Good life. No, I'm still on Lexapro. My fingers smell like joint. Fingers don't get yellow from joints, but they do from cigarettes, eh? I think people smoke more cigarettes than joints, though.
I would hope so. Or, wow, there'd be a lot of high people in the world.
I hope you don't get sunburnt, damn it, Amber. Okay.
She left the chat again, did she?
Of the positive vibes, yes. A large salami. When I fall in love, it'll be forever.
No, thank you.
Like that's...
Oh my.
I had a bug crawling on my chest. Was it a fruit fly? What question am I dodging? I didn't see your fucking... Sorry. Hi! Do I look a weird shape right now? Hi!
Okay. Okay. What the hey? Wow.
When I fall in love.
I'm 5 minutes away from it being free.
I don't like to be the asshole to like do that. July. Goodbye, arsehole. Fucking dipshit. Tired of people being mean to me for no fucking reason. Screw you. No, I'm not in love. I'm just fucking singing a crappy love song. I want pizza. No, Mom Cal, I haven't been around at her.
And we have pizza.
Looks like lots of pizza for 2 people. I guess depending on what they got.
You want your keyboard back?
Sure.
Ron, did you take the chicken down from the freezer? Ron, did you take the chicken down from the freezer?
Who's Ron?
I don't know, probably her husband. We should have taken the fucking chicken out, you know. Mine has mushrooms.
Yeah, I think this one's
Yeah,
yours.
that's mine. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Hi.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Mushroom and salami and like a hot sauce on top of it.
How much is she gonna eat of it is
Yeah.
the question. And chew your food up, please. Beauty bite. 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5,
Let's go.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4,
12.
5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
People shit on pizza. Pizza is one of my favorite though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. That was a whole piece of pizza. And I always heard that you're supposed to like chew your food up 50
It's
times
trashy, but thin.
before you swallow.
Yeah, like,
Wow.
but it's like compared to I don't know. I like it so much more than Domino's. I don't like Domino's. Chantal, relax. You don't have to swallow each slice. Yes. Fans' monies for fast food. Yes. That's right. I love that. Creamy garlic. You never found a copycat? I'll find one for you.
Wow.
Keep hating to fill the void, honey. Didn't you shit yourself not long ago? I don't know. She doesn't shit herself because she just squats anywhere. Now you know.
Oh, jeez. That is gross. Oh, jeez. Just stop already. Now she's gonna pick up another piece of pizza and eat it. Yep, sure enough, she sure did. Ugh. Guess it's all hers. Wow. I just wish she would just get healthy. Dang it. Healthier, rather.
I was watching this story about this guy with bug eyes. His name was Jesse from New Zealand. And it's like he would be cute if he didn't look like a bug, a suffocating bug.
Oh, geez. Don't be talking about people.
Like, bugged out. Ew.
Wow. Just wow. How much is that pizza that is there left? Oh, stop. Oh, mercy. She just does that for show. Just, that's her content. That's who she is.
Anyway, guess what? Oh, I'm full.
Well, it's probably
Just
going. Wow.
Moving on.
All right.
Life.
Love you,
You're not
treasures.
invited, people.
And I will see you on the next one.
I'm just joking.
Remember, you're all beautiful.